In fact, let me speak broken English. I want to talk about late pastor, prophet, apostle, TB Joshua. I want to use this point to and say, church, na business. Church, not just church, religion, be Christian or Muslim, na scam. Anything religion na scam. In fact, because I have told this word for long, say I believe in God, but I don't believe in anything called religion. Anything called religion, I don't have any interest on it. But I have interest in God. I have interest in God, but not on anything called religion. Because religion has come. Religion na destruction to humanity. Why I talk this word be say? Because me not listen all this thing for long. So now this pastor TB Joshua come make my eye open more and more. My eye never open before. But I want make una we go watch this video get small sense out of this nonsense where I want to talk. I don't to most of now na nonsense. But to some where get common sense to reason, there is senses out of every nonsense. Let Pastor TB Joshua may so rest in peace. He's a great man. He's a lovely and nice and kind and humble someone. You understand me? So, because this thing we call church, okay, let's imagine now, this Pastor TB Joshua, the late Pastor TB Joshua, out of all the old churches we get for Nigeria, how many that the CEO, that the GO, how many those that they go Iberia, attend Iberia? Who at all say they busy with their business? Because I call those churches business, and they are really business. When they say that they busy with their business, which of them send delegate or representative to go and represent them for this man's funeral? How many of them send delegate to go represent this man for a funeral? None. Which of them go a funeral? None. Because of bad belly, because of jealousy. In fact, I share for all of now. When I call myself Christian and the pastors and that the CEO, that the Jew, that the whatever, I share for all of now. Now bad belly, now make no attend this man funeral. Bad belly, now make no attend this man funeral. Now bad belly go kill all of now. That bad belly, now go kill all of now. Man, they fly private jet from private jet. First class to first class. Why una member not fit attend in our school? Hungry they kill member don't fit afford 3 meals in a day. As the prostitution they very popular rich, as they nice rich. In fact, what did that man do? How many of them go fit do one? The kindness when that man give to humanity on earth, how many of them go fit do those kindness to humanity? Now when I can say pastor, prophet, that the CEO, that the GO, that the this, like that. But because of that bad blend, I'm not going to attend that man funeral. In fact, now I can say can, that's Christian Association of Criminals. When I be, I'm not delegate to that man burial. Africans, I'm not why now. I'm not say religion has come me be. I'm not open the eye. I'm not say church and mosque and business centers them be. When I do that my funeral yesterday, I made delegate. Now see each church is sent go. I'm that the CEO, that the GO, prophet, or imam. Because if you call yourself imam, say you be real imam, you don't say there's no difference between Christian and Muslim. Because we have one God, and we have a lot of prophets and disciples, which Jesus and Muhammad are. There are also those people that are disciples. as they say. So people don't say us my disciples, but also they under one God. We don't get two gods for this earth. So if I thought say now they preach peace, now they preach love, why am I not there? Why not say representative? Be you pastor imam? I took to both of them, not just pastor, only imam for the Muslim side. Why not go there? Why not say representative? Often they be criminals. Africans when I open an eye, when I say these people, what we call Christian, Muslim, whatever they be, all these things, what we call religion, all na scam. All na scam. I mean they to come. Just imagine, huh? Man, Africans when I open an eye, I'm gonna get common sense now. I'm gonna wise up now. I'm gonna wise up. Okay, now say the man, the late pastor, the late apostle, the late prophet, Joshua. Now see your friend now. Because no great join in a criminal association which is called CAN. Because no great join now. Let me stay away from a funeral, even in death. I shame for all of now. I reach shame for all of now. All of now, they reach shame for all of now. All of now, I call myself pastor and whatever I call myself. None of them attend the man funeral. None of them attend the man funeral. I shame for all of now. Often I disgrace na be to our followers. That is the followers will get common sense. So we really know say na scam all of na be. We don't say common sense no common. But on our followers we say the Greek when the Greek get sense, the Greek see the difference between what did happen now and what did happen before. When man win their life, now giving ourselves distance from what the man did. Even in death, now giving ourselves distance. I shame for all of now. Shame for our followers. We say don't run away from now. When they to say common sense is not common. So now we're ready to get common sense. Then go think get common sense. I beg this is my message to you all. Share this message. Let this message go viral. Let those people when they carry Christianity or Islam for heads, let them not say that thing I call religion, that thing has scam, that thing be. That thing is part of our African religion. Now we borrow those things. When I go find where I come from. Be you Christian, Muslim, those that borrow. Not be our African. That not come from only for our African tradition. That's not nonsense. Scam now. They scam now. Now the ATM. They operate now. They tap now. They tap from the pocket. Tap now from the bank. Tap from the whatever. They turn to ATM. Now they full themselves. I beg. Bye bye.